the hell? Am I out of gas? Huh, getting there, I guess. Yep. What's up? How's she running?
Good.
I just hit reserve on the way over.
Where you want to go, both?
Sounds better. Oh yeah, I like it. Wherever you want to go.
Go to both if you can.
Matt's new XR250R. She's a badass machine. One of the best enduro bikes Honda ever made. I think that thing might be as powerful as my CRF, believe it or not. We're gonna have to run them. He's got the wheelies down. It rained like a mofo last night. Yeah.
It's unbelievable.
It's awesome.
I love it, man.
So that did come with a red motor, huh?
Yeah. Everything on it's stock. Dual carb.
I can't believe that it's got the dual carbs.
Yeah, me either. That's why when I look back at it, I'm like, no way.
Woo! Take it easy. She's washed out. Might as well park in the shade. I don't know, where you want to go?
Where are they going?
I don't know. We'll follow them. I don't care.
You want to go up that back street over there?
Alright. Yes, he was. Ow. I know. I could have held that one, but I didn't want to keep going.
Oh, I know. That was nice.
Cruise control.
That's the safe button.
Yeah, man.
I mean, I'm just. Peace out. Alright.
Looks like your rear tire's a little low. I got a CO2 thing with an air thing. Go up and pull off in the shade.
You don't know how it works?
I never used them before.
What the fuck?
What?
Maybe you gotta screw this onto the bike first.
I don't think so.
Cause how you gonna?
Well, I was gonna. What?
Oh, okay. That whole thing spins. Fuck. Oh, that one was good. I don't think that worked, was it? Oh.
Fucking retards. Should have read the directions that came with it.
Oh, you got directions in there?
No, I threw them away. Woo, Bobby!
Too much?
I don't know.
Your problem the whole time.
Usually a lower tire is better to wheelie.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I could. Now I could be all off.
Probably should have looked to see if there was a nail or something. I got a tire tube kit in here.
Yeah, we're all good. Just flat tire. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Fucking A, man.
Fuck me, man.
Well, fill it up and ride that fucker. And go back to my house if you want. Just get everything ready before you fill it up. Get that other CO2 out so it's like bang bang. Yeah, they're usually nicer when they see you got cameras on. I'll tell you that much. Throw these in your pocket and go. It's alright, one more. Thread fucked up? Maybe. The hell, man?
Don't worry about it, fuck it then.
Just don't goose it and rip the tube out. What's that?
That's that tape that goes inside the rim.
They use this shit? Here, let me see if we can. I'll try it.
I don't know if I'm gonna type of thing. Or you want to just run back, grab your Jeep?
Yeah.
Take your time, I'll jump back out.
Okay. Well, here's the tube we pulled out of the rear tire. not exactly the right size. I'm sure that was a problem. Thanks for watching.